I really believe that no one really knows what is going on with the stock market right now at this particular stage in time with the stimulus, with everything going on. I really don't think anybody has a clue on what the market is doing. And that is why I plan to not invest in the market for the next 2.5 weeks until after the election. And these are my 4 reasons why I plan to stay a little bit on the down key. Number 1, the stimulus bill. The stimulus bill is scheduled to be finalized this week, but there's a very, very, very good chance that it's probably not going to happen. Currently, Speaker Pelosi and White House Treasury Steve Mnuchin is actually in talks to finalize a stimulus bill. But there's actually a lot of problems with it because Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says that the White House should not be negotiating a stimulus bill before the election because it would distract from appointing new Justice Amy Bennett into the Supreme Court Justice. So now we know that the Senate Majority Leader does not want a new stimulus passed before the election. And with McConnell being against the stimulus package, it is unlikely that we're going to have something passed before the election. So because of that, it is very unlikely that the stock market is going to get any rally from the stimulus news. The second reason why I'm not investing is because the election is 2 weeks away, and with the election so close, I mean, the stock market is going to be very, very crazy. You have no idea if it's going to go up or down or just sideways. Chances are it might just be sideways, but it could also go down. Or it could also go up, or your individual stock could go up. Who knows? Who really knows? Let me tell you, nobody, okay? Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to be happening. So, I'm just not going to do it. Take some time off, spend the holidays with your family, spend Halloween with your family, and then come back and gamble some more after the election. The third reason why I'm not investing is because it is earnings season. Now, generally, earnings season is where you kind of want to start investing, but because of the stimulus, because of the election, earnings has never been crazier. Right now, because of earnings season, money is spread all over the place, okay? Usually when an earnings is coming up, you see a rally coming up. But because there's so many earnings coming up at the same time, it is hard to really decide what stock to rally because, a stock could be posting really, really good numbers, but because of so much diversification, it might not go up as much as you want. And if the stock does bad, which it could just tank and you just have no idea. So for me, because of so much diversification, it is unlikely that any singular stock is going to rally up unless you have some of the big name stocks like the FANG stocks or Tesla or PayPal or any of those really hype stocks. Then it's probably going to hype up. But if you have some unknown stock like NextEra Energy, which is very, very big, by the way, it's probably not going to rally as much. So yeah, for me, the payoff is not worth the risk. And finally, the fourth reason why I'm not planning to invest a lot within the next few weeks is because I'm going to be having a baby. My wife is scheduled to have a baby within the next 3 to 4 days. So within the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be pretty busy being a new dad. So I don't know if I'll have time to be making these videos and to be looking up information. Maybe I'll be doing it at night when I'm awake putting the baby to sleep. But yeah, I probably will have a lot of new experiences with the next 2 weeks. So I'm not going to be very good at doing the stock market because stock market is already hard enough. So now, before I end this video, let me tell you guys what I am investing in from now till the next 2 to 3 weeks. The first thing that I'm investing in is gold because I think that gold is kind of undervalued. It's pretty undervalued. It's currently at 1930 right now. I do think it can hit 2,000 by the end of the year. Okay? Definitely over 2,000 by the end of the year. I do think that it is kind of undervalued. So I do plan to hold it for long term. Okay? For me, within the next 2-3 weeks, okay, I don't plan to buy anything short term. Okay? At least 2 months in advance. I don't plan to buy anything less than that. So I'm planning to buy gold. I'm sticking with Next Era Energy because I do think that the company is very, very good for the long term. Definitely for the long term. It has a stock split coming up, so I do think it is going to be going up, but in general, I do think it's going to go up. And then I'm going to be keeping around 30 to 50% of my portfolio in cash because maybe if something drops and then I see that it's a good time to buy, I'll go in, but it is very, very difficult for me to do anything long term for a long time. So I think cash is very safe considering that I'm having a baby, considering that stocks right now is wild. So yeah, those are my investments for the next few weeks to a month. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm probably not going to be posting as much within the next few weeks because I'm on baby duty. Until then, I wish you guys very, very good luck. I wish you guys please be careful during these times. It's very, very dangerous. And please post me some of your gains. So until next time, bye.